Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to design stunning mobile apps, websites, or user interfaces without installing heavy software, you are in the right exact place. Today we are kicking off day with one of complete Figma Mastery series. By the end of this 5-minute video, you will know your way around the workspace and build your very first app screen from scratch. Let's start with the design first. We don't need to take care of other things. Alright, when you open a new Figma file, it can look a bit overwhelming, but it's actually super simple. Let's break it down into 4 zones. First, at the bottom, you can see toolbar. There is where your selection tools, shapes, and text tools live. Second, on the left side, there is the layer panel in which whatever we create, the layer panel adds the file in it that lists out the files that we create. So the middle area that is blank and has an open space, that is called our work area, our playground, where we create everything. This is our canvas, blank canvas, and we can create, move things, and do everything in here, like creating text, etc. Now, on the right, the third one, it is the design panel. This changes depending on what you click, letting you tweak colors, sizes, and styles. And we have various options, so we will explore furthermore in that. Now, before we design anything, you need to learn Figma's most important concept, the frame. Beginners often make the mistake of drawing everything on a blank white background or blank gray background as it is now. Click on the frame icon or click F. Then on the right side you can see frame, which consists of many layouts of Androids, Windows, etc. Let's start with iPhone 16 for now. Now we create a Figma frame in which we can create various designs. This is our main layout. We'll start with text. Press T or click the T icon on the toolbar. Once we click on T, our text is activated. We can click inside the frame and type anything you want. We'll start by typing welcome. Welcome back. Okay. We have created a text, but it's looking a bit smaller, so let's zoom. For zooming the designs, we need to press Ctrl and scroll. And to pan, we need to click on the scroll button and move around. With that navigation, let's move back to the text. Text is looking a bit smaller, so we need to adjust the typography section. Let us make text 12 to around 16, maybe. Okay, let's make it a little bit bold, semi-bold maybe. Semi-bold is all right. Okay, let us change color, fine gray. Okay, gray looks fine for now. We can adjust the size a little bigger. Let's 24, and now it's looking much better than before. Now, in login screen, we will need an input area. So we'll create a box with rectangle tool and click and drag the box. Adjust the size. Once you're done with it, okay, looks fine. The corners are a bit sharp, so I would like it a bit round. So for making a round rectangle, we will go to appearance, corner radius, and adjust it to 8. Okay, looks good. This is where user will input their IDs. Now we need a button to sign in and log in. So we'll create another rectangle box for button, adjust the size, and yeah, for that We'll create a corner radius too, same as before. And now we have a simple layout for login. We need a text in the button, so click text and login. Okay, fine. Now we need a button to align properly with each other, the box and the text. So manually we could do, but it's a bit hard, so we have another option. Select both login and the button. So we'll align the items by going to position, alignment and align horizontal centers. We can see this aligned vertical too, and we can see the objects have aligned well with each other. Now the whole composition looks a bit off because the lower area is empty, and we need these items to be a bit balanced. Like we need to divide the space up and down with empty spaces so that it won't look off and out of design. We'll bring it almost at the center and looks fine. Okay, and now let's make it a little bit better since it's all looking gray and black. Let's change colors of these elements. Let's start with the welcome back text and let us change it to bluish types color. Okay, blue looks fine. Let's move on to the button color. We are choosing something like green. Okay, green goes well with white. Let's make the green a little bit darker. Okay, it looks good. Now if you can see, we can also change the color of the frame, whole frame background. That is, select the iPhone 16 and frame option. In fill we can change the color, but for now we are working in white background, so we'll leave white as it is. Okay, for today we can see we have created a simple design with a simple text, rectangle and a button. Now I believe you can create this simple design and hope you will try it. Let's move on to the second class.